Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel SRK Pune Academy, whose tagline is Made Simple. Today we will study a topic in a total productive maintenance, that is 8 pillars of TPM. Today's topic is very important in TPM system, so please stay with the channel, subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. After completing of this presentation, we will able to understand what are the 8 pillars of TPM or 8 principles of TPM. Now the very important part of the TPM, that is 8 pillars of the TPM or 8 principles of the TPM. In the house of TPM, base is made of 5 S principles, which we have seen in our 5S presentation. Link of the same is available in description below. It is called the foundation of TPM system. The first pillar is focused improvement or Kobetsu Kaizen, that is KK pillar. Second is autonomous maintenance or Jishu Hosen, that is JH. Third pillar is planned maintenance, that is PM. Fourth pillar is education and training, that is ET. Fifth pillar is early equipment management, that is EEM. Sixth pillar is quality management, that is PM. Seventh pillar is safety, health and environment, that is SHE. And last pillar is TPM in administration, that is OTPM. The house of TPM is made up of very strong 8 pillars. The 8 pillars of TPM are mostly focused on proactive and preventative techniques for improving equipment reliability and the efficiency of equipment and production processes. Now we will see each pillar in details, its role in TPM development, objective, methodology, and their relations with each other. The first pillar is focused improvement or Kobetsu Kaizen, that is KK pillar. The term Kobetsu Kaizen is Japanese for focused improvement. The KK pillar or Kobetsu Kaizen is a key pillar of TPM. The purpose of KK pillar is to achieve high production efficiency and reduction of manufacturing cost by eliminating or reducing all losses and to improving the efficiency and effectiveness of a manufacturing plant. The objective of KK pillar is to become a world-class production plant through improved efficiencies in equipment, labor, energy, and material. People involved in this pillar are managers, engineers, and shop supervisors. And the methodology of the pillar is systematic elimination of 16 major losses, improve OEE, through focused and individual improvements using PM analysis and other tools. Improve quality, productivity, and reduce costs by identifying, analyzing, and eliminating NVA, means non-value adding activities. Second pillar of TPM is JH, means Jishu Hosen or autonomous maintenance. The Japanese word Jishu Hosen translates to autonomous maintenance. The JH pillar of TPM is a key component of TPM. The purpose of JH pillar is to achieve high production efficiency by eliminating forced deterioration of equipments. The objective of JH pillar is to establish a system of autonomous maintenance by operators after providing them with the necessary knowledge and skills to prevent breakdowns, quality defects, and accidents, and with the active support of maintenance department. People involved in this pillar are all operators, shop supervisors, and maintenance men of maintenance department. And the methodology of the pillar is step-by-step implementation of the 7 JH steps of JIPM. Step 1. Initial cleanup. 2. Countermeasure. 3. Tentative maintenance standards. 4. General inspection. 5. Autonomous inspection. 6. Standardization. 7. All-out autonomous management. It involves operators in activities like daily cleaning, inspections, lubrication, simple repairs, and abnormality detection. Now third pillar of total productive maintenance is planned maintenance, that is PM pillar. The purpose of PM pillar is to establish a comprehensive system of planned maintenance to achieve zero breakdowns and extend the life of equipment. The objective of the pillar is to realize efficiency in the maintenance department and to eliminate 8 major equipment losses through the concept of prevention. People involved in this pillar are managers, supervisors, and maintenance staff. And the methodology of the pillar is daily maintenance by operator, periodic preventive maintenance, TPM, predictive maintenance, CBM, and corrective maintenance, CM, by maintenance staff. It's also include improvements for increasing the service life expectancy, control of replacement parts, failure analysis, and prevention of recurrences and lubrication control. The fourth pillar of TPM is education and training pillar. The purpose of education and training pillar is to establish a comprehensive system of education and training in skill, knowledge, and techniques. The objective of the pillar is to raise the technical skill level of operators and maintenance staff and to provide specific training to all employees as per requirement, so that they need to perform their jobs effectively and to continuously improve their skills. People involved in this pillar are operators, maintenance staff, and personnel department. And the methodology of the pillar is classroom lectures, hands-on workshops, and on-the-job training, providing training in areas such as machine operation, maintenance, quality control, and safety, developing multi-skilled employees who can handle their initiatives systematically. Training requirement identification and skill gap verification may be some of the basic tools that gives a primary idea of skill and learning gaps. Early Equipment Management, EEM, is a fifth pillar of TPM. The purpose of EM pillar is to establish a comprehensive system of initial flow control management for products and equipment. The objective of the pillar is to shorten development lead time, ensure quick and stable launching of new products with improving manufacturability design for cost effectiveness. People involved in this pillar are R&D, production engineering, maintenance, and the methodology of the pillar is concurrent engineering, cross-functional teams, MP sheets registration and feedback. Things to be reflected in maintenance prevention design: easy to manufacture, easy quality assurance, easy to use, maintainability and reliability. Now sixth pillar of TPM, that is QM pillar. Quality maintenance pillars is one of the most important pillar of TPM. The purpose of QM pillar is to establish a comprehensive system of quality maintenance to achieve zero defects. The objective of the pillar is to realize zero defects through ensuring optimal conditions in respect of the 4M, that are men, machines, material, and methods. People involved in this pillar are operators, supervisors, maintenance, and QA staff. And the methodology of the pillar is bring equipment to their basic conditions and maintain for defect-free production and eliminate variations. It involves understanding and controlling how manpower, material, machines, and methods interact to prevent defects. It applies root cause analysis to eliminate recurring sources of quality defects. Now seventh pillar of the TPM is TPM in administration, that is OTPM pillar. The purpose of OTM pillar is to establish a comprehensive system to achieve efficiency in office and administrative departments. The objective of the pillar is to realize zero functional loss and to render service and support to production. People involved in this pillar are finance, marketing, purchasing, and other admin offices. And the methodology of the pillar is implementing 5S concepts, implementing JH and KK activities in office area so that organizations can reduce downtime, increase productivity, and improve employee engagement and satisfaction. The pillar applies the key TPM principles in eliminating waste and losses from these departments. Now eighth and last pillar of the TPM is the safety, health, and environment, that is SHE pillar. The purpose of SHE pillar is to establish a comprehensive system of safety, hygiene, health, and working as well as outside environment. The objective of the pillar is to achieve and sustain zero accidents of any nature and to create a clean, healthy, safe, green, and quiet environment. All employees are involved in this pillar activities. And the methodology of the pillar is Systematic elimination of unsafe areas and activities. Focus on conservation and protection of natural resources. This principle involves proactive measures such as risk assessment, hazard identification, and implementation of controls and measures to prevent incidents from an understanding presentation. To get such important presentations, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Do comment and let us know how you like this video.